Hi IELTS students. Are you still struggling to crack IELTS in your first attempt? Or even after several attempts, you are unable to get your desired score? Well, I understand. It's difficult to pursue your career and dreams, especially cracking the IELTS. But after training thousands of professionals and students, I have discovered some wonderful techniques and strategies that will help you out to get the desired score, and it is only possible if you attend my 3-hour workshop. Hi, this is Ashima from ForeignHut. I am an IDP Certified Trainer. So students, I guarantee you, after enrolling in this masterclass, you will ace IELTS in just 15 days. In this masterclass, I'll be sharing some great strategies and techniques with you along with comprehensive material. Not only this, we will provide you reality mock tests which will be evaluated by our certified IELTS trainer. And this is just in the cost of a pizza. Yes, you heard it right. So I'm very excited to see you all in this masterclass this Sunday. Just click the link below and get to enroll yourself in this masterclass at just 299 rupees. Thank you so much.